Hi there, welcome back to the PWR video series. Today we're going to cover a lot of ground in this segment because we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm here with our PWR representative Mike, and Mike, not to put pressure on you, but I'm going to read a list of tasks or parts or applications that people commonly make mistakes with.
Okay.
I want you to give me a quick tip for each one that will help them avoid those mistakes.
Whatever comes to my mind.
Whatever comes to your mind.
Okay,
All right? But
okay.
remember, this is a quick one.
Oh, okay.
All right, so let's start the clock, and here we go. You ready?
Yep.
All right, press on pulley.
Press on pulley. Don't use a hammer, don't use a press, always use the install tool.
Okay, remote reservoirs.
Try to install a new one whenever possible.
All right, general maintenance.
General maintenance. Flush the system every time.
Very good. Power steering fluid.
Always use the OEM recommended fluids.
Got it. Rack and pinion or gearbox.
Don't forget to center the box or center the unit before you install it.
All right, installing any component.
Always torque them to factory specs.
Okay, a noisy pump.
Noisy pump. Try bleeding the system first.
Okay, visual inspection.
Check for worn belts, hoses, or leaks.
All right, every time the system is open.
You must bleed the system.
All right, and last, PWR.
100% new, 100% tested, engineered in Memphis, Tennessee.
There you go. Now those are quick tips. We've got a lot more videos in our library that I want you to check out because there's a lot more detail on these and many other issues related to power steering. And we'll see you on the next segment.